Good afternoon mga kababayan, lahat ng mga subscriber, lahat ng PB team, subscriber. Good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na po, this is your Tita PB Love. It's been a while na hindi ako nag-vlog. Quite sometimes because alam nyo naman may pinagdadaanan tayo. I've been through a lot. That's why I didn't vlog for a while. I've been going through a lot of issues, personal and health-wise. So, pasensya na lang po lahat sa inyo. Ngayon, mag-update lang po ako, okay? Anyway, again, salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagtatangkilik. Salamat sa pag-susuporta sa mga aking mga Marias, lahat ng mga PB team. Ang mga updates po, let's do some updates, okay? Ano ang update sa mga 5 sa Abra? Okay, so yung mga 5 sa Abra po, they're doing very fine. They're doing really good actually. I hope they're enjoying their schooling. I hope, especially Irene and Dali. I know Dali is brand new to bagong-bago sa Abra. I hope she's adjusted na. Tapos si Irene, alam nyo naman, I'm so proud of her to reach the milestone of her life na nagiging college student na siya. Alam kong nahihirapan sila, but you know, it takes a while to be able to ano ba yun, get used to it. Okay, so ayan ang mga updates. But anyway, before we continue that, let's just give you some update tungkol sa PB team scholars ko sa Davao. Okay, sa Davao po, pasensya na lang sa lahat ng aking scholar there. I have to stop them temporarily. Hindi ko po kaya. Again, may pinagdadaanan po akong malaki. May problema, personal and health-wise. So, temporarily, nag-usap na po kami ni Paul. I'm hoping I could pick them up back probably by next month, if not by next year. And I actually stopped helping. Hindi po ako tumutulong ngayon kasi again, as I said, may problema po kami, may problema po ako, lalo po ako. I try to help yung Cebu. Nagpadala po ako ng konti kay Paul. At least yun po ginawa ko. I don't really know kasi hindi po ako nanonood ng news. Hindi ko po alam kung anong nangyayari. So now I send a little bit of help. So I hope at least it can help a little bit kahit papaano. Again, as I said, yung scholar ko sa Davao po, nahinto muna sila. Sa allowance, it's been 2 months na wala silang allowance. But I will come back and I will give them hopefully by next month or this month coming up. I need to go back and help them. Okay po. Yan po ang tungkol sa Davao. So next one is tungkol kay Irene. Si Irene po ay nag-tutor. May tutor po sila. She's actually, I think she has 2 tutor. One for her. No, I think she has 1 tutor. One for her all general classes. Tapos, sina Erna at Marjorie, they have a tutor for biology. At 2 ang tutor po sa bahay eh. Tsaka, Irene have a tutor on her computer also. Okay? 3. So, yan po si Irene, ang lumalaban sa school, kahit pa paano, nakita nyo naman yung acquaintances nila, ang gaganda nila, yung mga bata. They're really maturing, they're really behaving well, they're really taking their school seriously, hindi na gaya nung dati, nung high school sila, ang pasaway, ang daming sakit ng ulo, muntik ko po silang ginib up, ang dami-dami pong problema noon nung nasa high school. Ngayon, they're really enjoying their college and then they're behaving. Si Badiday po, 3rd year college of nursing. She's enjoying, nasa operating room nung isang araw, nag-a-assist po ng doctor. You know, things like that, it makes me very happy. You know, sa kanilang achievement. They have their acquaintances, and mga ganun po. Tapos si Badiday, I believe, next week, lalabas po sila ng Abra. Ewan ko kung saan madidestino. And hopefully, si Badiday nagpupursige rin kahit nahihirapan. At least po, nag-aaral po sila. Okay? Again, sa mga nagsasabi, bakit ganyan-ganyan, you know, they have help. Sina Marjorie at saka si, ano pa yung pangalan? Erna po, they have a tutor on their biology. I know they're going to better school, a very tough school. So, I nagbabayad po ako ng tutor nila. So, at least nakakatulong sa kanila. Okay, yun po ang active sila sa school nila. They are participating on all the activities. Kaya ako po yung natuwang-tuwa sa kanila. They're very, very hands-on na. They're maturing. I'm actually very proud of them. So, ang update sa kanila po, kahit may pinagdadaanan po ako, okay. Again, kahit po may pinagdadaanan ako, I will try my very best to let them finish yung 5 sa Abra. Again, I'm proud of them. Kaya iyak kami ng iyak nung, I think, last month video kasi iyak sila ng iyak. Kasi sabi ko, kahit ano pong mangyari, I will make sure they finish their school. They will be with me until they're done and they have a job. Okay, hanggang they can find another job, they can find good job. And I'm hoping I could help them. Yan po ang update. Tapos next one po, ang update sa ating si Marjorie. Nag-retain po ako ng lawyer dito. Sila nang maglalakad ng papers niya. Tapos yung nag-retainer po ako ng lawyer din sa Pilipinas regarding Marjorie. Kaya they will be the one preparing everything for her. I even actually asked the lawyer in the Philippines. So, what will I do about Erna? Kasi po si Erna, di ba marami nagtatanong po tungkol kay Erna. Anong gagawin natin kay Erna? Sana si Erna din. So, tutubukan po namin kasi Erna is 20 years old. It's harder. Okay? So, if we file, we have to make sure that it's worth it. Kasi mahal po eh. Mahal po. Ang retainer ng lawyers ang mahal. So, gusto ko po si Marjorie pumunta kasi wala na po kaming kasama. Wala na kami. Lahat ng anak ko nakalabas na, may mga bahay na. They're not staying with us. Okay. So, I'm hoping na Marjorie can come. Tapos si Erna po, we're gonna try to file for Erna also. Okay? Baka mahabol pa namin kasi pwede daw until 21. Hopefully, may habol namin. So, with that said, anong update kay Irene tungkol sa niya? Ang update po kay Irene, may nagtatanong po bakit si Irene, niya? Ang hirap po kay Irene. Ang hirap nila ni Babit. Okay, so I have to pay a lot of money sa kanila. But, it's not working out right now. Hopefully, yung lawyer din pwede nilang ilakad. Titignan po natin. Kasi one at a time. Dami ko po kasing gastos. Ang dami kong problema. Ang daming nangyayari. Kaya, pasensya na lang po ha. Hindi po ako nakakatulong ngayon. But I will promise as soon as makasettle po ako ng aking mga personal and health problem, I will be coming back to help PB team again. Okay? Again, salamat Sir Paul sa pag-intindi mo sa akin. Salamat Madam Yula, Peter Paul, Edito, lahat po ng aking mga kasama sa Abra, si Madam Ethel, si Sir June, si Terso, especially Terso, has been with me for a while, si Ma'am Belen, si Juliet, si Tutoy, lahat po ng aking mga employees. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa for helping me, for standing beside me. Kahit alam niyo po na mayroon akong pinagdadaanan, you're always there for me. Again, thank you sa lahat sa inyo, mga subscriber, lahat ng nagpapalo sa mga Marias, lahat na nagsusuporta sa aming vlog. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Again, we will see you again. Hopefully, I will be in the Philippines in the next 2 weeks. So, I hope to see you, and then as I said, I hope to see the PB team Davao. Thank you again. I love you all.